Good morning, dear students. Jai Swaminarayan. Hopefully, all of you are fine and completing your work on time. Today, we will be learning about sentence. We will be learning what is a sentence, various kinds of sentences, learning objectives. Means by the end of this session, you will be able to recognize the types of sentences and define their purpose, identify the types of sentences, use the correct and mark for each type of sentence and create your own examples for each type of sentence. So students, now let us see what is a sentence. You are house students all. Oops, what did I say? Isn't it looking weird? You are house students all. I should have rather said, students, how are you all? Yes, now it's making some sense. That means, what is a sentence? That means a sentence is a group of words which make some sense. It should always start with a capital letter and end either with full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So we can say, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words giving a complete thought. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. So now let us see types of sentences. There are four types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. The four sentences types: declarative sentence which makes a statement, interrogative sentence asks a question, always ends with a question mark, imperative sentence gives a command, exclamatory sentence expresses emotion. So now let us learn about types of sentences in details. First of all, we learn about declarative sentences. Declarative sentences make a statement. They tell us something. They give us information and they normally end with a full stop, which is also known as period. They are also known as assertive sentence. A declarative sentence can be positive or negative. Now look at these examples. Positive and negative. I like coffee. It is a positive sentence. I do not like coffee. It is a negative sentence. Means the, the sentences which are having no, never, not, they are known as negative sentences. Declarative sentences are the most common type of sentence. See in this picture, you can see the boy is happy. I put my money in a piggy bank. That is my camera. The people are running. The eagle is flying. All these are making a statement. They are telling us something. So now let us learn about interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? An interrogative sentence asks a question and always ends with a question mark. These sentences are very easy to recognize as these are always ending with a question mark. You can see some examples of interrogative sentences. Has anyone seen my torch? What's the capital of Peru? Shall we ask Jimmy or John? Can you notice one thing in all these questions? Has and shall. In two of the questions, helping verb is used first, and in the what's the capital of Peru? Helping verb is used after question verb. So we can say questions are of two types. Those begin with the helping verb. Example, have you met her? And those begin with WH question words and followed by helping verbs. Example, who is this lady? You can see in this picture also examples. Did you turn the light off? May I borrow your newspaper? What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited New York City? In these questions also you can see some are starting with helping verb and some are starting with question word, WH word. So let us learn about imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. Imperative sentences do not simply state a fact, but rather tell someone to do something. These can be in the form of friendly advice, basic instructions, or more forceful commands. So we can say an imperative sentence is a sentence which gives a command, makes a request, or expresses a wish. Let us see some examples. Please shut the door to keep out the bugs. Turn left at the bridge. These are instructions. Please shut the door. It is a request. Stop bothering me. These are also again instructions. The important thing to note in these sentences is that begin an imperative sentence with a verb. Do not use a subject. It is always you and is not mentioned. Imperative sentences end with a full stop. You can see in this picture the examples. An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. It ends with a period. As I earlier told, period means a full stop. Please bring the pizza to the table. Mom, please tie my shoes. Mark, do all of your homework before you go out to play. Do 10 push-ups and 20 jumping jacks. Open your mouth. So now let us learn about exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling, excitement, or emotion. You can see in the example, Hush, the baby is asleep. How well he sings. Bravo, our team won the finals. Here you must have noticed the difference in the sentences. In two of the sentences, exclamation mark is used after the exclamation word, whereas in how, second sentence, the exclamation mark is used at the end of the sentence. Now let us see why. Note, generally begin an exclamatory sentence with a word of exclamation, as in the first and third sentence. Except what and how, all other words of exclamations take the mark of exclamation after them. You can see in the example, how well he sings. Exclamation mark is put at the end of the sentence. What and how shows surprise or disbelief, and mark of exclamation is used at the end of the sentence. You can see in the example also here, what a beautiful rose. Okay? So now let us learn with fun. You enjoy this song.
Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences.
Declarative.
Statement.
Imperative.
Command.
Interrogative.
Question.
Exclamatory.
Shout.
Declarative.
Statement.
Imperative.
Command.
Interrogative.
Question.
Exclamatory.
Shout.
Declarative.
Is when you're making a statement. Usually it ends in a period.
Period.
You're just trying to make it known. For example, my brother plays trombone.
Imperative.
Is a command or request like
Brush your teeth, or please finish this test.
And it's easy to remember too.
Because imperative sentences tell you what to do.
declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences.
Declarative.
Statement.
Imperative.
Command.
Interrogative.
Question.
Exclamatory.
Shout.
Declarative.
Statement.
Imperative.
Command.
Interrogative.
Question.
Exclamatory.
Shout.
Interrogative.
Is in the form of a question like,
Are you suffering from indigestion?
This type of sentence is easy to spot.
Because it always ends.
In a question mark. Exclamatory.
Always shows strong feeling like.
There's a big hairy spider on the ceiling.
The thing that sets this sentence apart is that it always ends.
In an exclamation mark.
Okay, kids, let's do some examples of each type of sentence. Declarative.
The sky is blue.
Imperative.
Pick up the shoe.
Interrogative.
Do you want fries with that?
Exclamatory.
I love my hat.
Declarative.
I like ice cream.
Imperative.
Don't be mean.
Interrogative.
What's your name? again. Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences.
Declarative.
Statement.
Imperative.
Command.
Interrogative.
Question.
Exclamatory.
Shout.
Declarative.
Statement.
Imperative.
Command.
Interrogative.
Question.
Exclamatory.
Shout.
So here we come to an end of our session. I hope you have enjoyed and learned well. So we finally understood 4 kinds of sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day.